Welcome, dear children, to e-learning classes. Today we shall start grammar, lesson number 7, adverbs. What are adverbs? An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells how often, when, and where. So, an adverb answers the following question: how often, when, where. Thus, we can say adverbs are words that modify what it modifies. It modifies a verb. For example, he ran slowly. Here, it modifies the verb ran. Second, an adjective. They built a very big statue. How big was the statue? Big. So big is an adjective. So here it modifies an adjective. Next, another adverb. The cat climbed the tree quite carefully. How carefully did she move? Carefully. An adverb. So an adverb, it modifies a verb, an adjective, and another adverb. Adverb often tells when, where, why, or under what condition something happens or happened. Generally, adverbs end by ly, but there are many words that are adverbs but do not end in ly. For example, fast, hard, late, etc. Besides, there are words that end in ly but are not adverbs. For example, lovely, motherly, friendly, etc. Adverbs can modify adjective, but an adjective cannot modify adverb. Like adjectives, adverbs can be comparatively and superlative forms to show the degree. For example, speak louder so that he can hear you. Second, the candidate who writes the neatest will get a prize. We often use more and most, less and least to show the degree with adverbs. For example, he can complete his task more efficiently than his sister can. Second, she got the job because she answered the questions more intelligently. This car runs less smoothly than my old car. Next, that was the least neatly written application that I have ever seen. As an adverb, as construction can be used to create adverbs that shows the positive degree. For example, he can swim as fast as Olympic swimmers. Second, the adverb then construction can be used to create adverb that shows the comparatively degree. For example, I'm sure you can complete this job much faster than I can. Third, the Arabian horse are said to gallop the fastest. First exercise, filling the blanks with correct form of positive, comparative or superlative of the adverb given in the brackets. First one, the athlete sprint as swiftly as the cheetah. Next, rockets fly higher than all other flying objects. Parul can swim faster than a fish. Next, the Indian team played the best of all. Next, could you speak clearly? Next, I conducted the meeting successfully. Next, Larry can speak French better now than he could last year. Next, the children greeted the new teacher politely. Next, the girl in the green scarf danced more gracefully than all the rest. Last one, Rakesh worked harder than ever before. Kinds of adverb. You have already learned about the different kinds of adverb in your previous classes. There are adverb of manner. These adverbs answer the question how or in what manner an action is done. For example, she spoke quickly and furiously. How did she speak? Quickly and furiously. Next, adverbs of time. These adverbs answer the question when an action takes place. For example, she completed her work by 4 o'clock. When did she complete her work? By 4 o'clock. The principal will deliver the speech now. When will the principal deliver the speech? Now. Next is adverbs of place. These adverbs answer the question where an action took place. For example, come in, the teacher is writing. Where did she study? In Africa. Next is the adverbs of frequency. These adverbs describe action taking place a number of times or on a regular basis. For example, the little girl buys a lollipop every day. How often does the girl buy a lollipop? Every day. I asked you the question twice before you answer. How many times did I ask you the question? Twice. Next is the adverbs of purpose. These adverbs answer the question why something or an action took place. For example, he drove carefully to avoid being caught by the police. Why did he drive carefully? To avoid being caught by the police. Next is the adverb of degree. We ask the question how much or to what extent to get the adverb of degree. These are known as the emphasizer or amplifier. For example, she sings quite well. How well does she sing? Quite well. You almost knocked me down. To what extent did you knock me down? Almost. Last one is the interrogative adverbs. These adverbs ask questions. For example, when did you get married? Where are you going for your holidays? In this chapter, we will discuss adverb of place, adverb of frequency and adverb of purpose in detail. So my next video will be in detail of adverb of place. Hope dear children you have understood, and please memorize the definition of adverb. Thank you for watching the video.